How are you doing? I'm Martin from Gardens for Life in Birdland Homestead. In this video I'm going to tell you about our chicken keeping workshop. So we've always got events going on, so if you're watching this on YouTube or Odyssey or Rumble, just take a look at our website for more details and to book your tickets. So in the course in the workshop we're actually covering the basics of chicken keeping. So we want to help people considering getting chickens and producing their own eggs to make a start and to show you how easy it can be. So we've been keeping chickens for about 10 years now, and they are a joy to keep and they're very little maintenance. So maybe 2 times 5 minutes a day is really all it takes. And there is just a few things that you need to know about before you start, especially the infrastructure itself, like the coop and the electric fence. That'd be handy. And we also will cover the basic needs, how to provide for the chickens and its basic needs. It has the same needs as a human being, basically. Water, food, shelter and security. So those are the 4 aspects that you want to be looking at. And if you want to come to one of our workshops, just take a look at our website and book your tickets there. We'll also be talking about a species appropriate diet for chickens, such as growing your greens for the chickens specifically, and not just feeding them layers pellets, which is not a species appropriate diet as well. But you can also go down alternative routes as well, which exponentially improves the egg quality. When you keep your own chickens, you have fresh eggs that are unwashed, and if they're super clean, you can actually preserve them in various different ways, the way it used to be done. But we haven't had to do that because we've just got fresh eggs every day, almost a year round. Giving the chickens more space to run and do all the things that a chicken likes to do, species appropriate behavior like scratching up the ground and even finding insects and greens from the garden. All of that adds up to a better product, and you're going to get better quality eggs, and they taste better and they just look better as well. They have a better color, the yolk is much nicer, and you're going to have fresh eggs every day. And it's actually going to add to your self-reliance and your self-sufficiency just a little bit as well. It's a great way to get into backyard protein production. So some of the things we'll be talking about in the workshop as well is actually your chicken pen, how to mulch it, how to move it, to actually utilize the chickens to eat up the weeds and scratch them, and fertilize your ground before you start a garden. That's called chicken tractoring. So there is a lot of things that you can do with the chickens. We use them as a tool in the garden to make life a lot easier for ourselves and to do our no-dig gardening. We're also going to be talking about the various different components to do with the electric fence. And you can see here, there is a solar panel involved. You can use a solar panel, you don't have to, you can also plug it in. And the different types of chicken coops you can also use as well. So if any of you have any questions about these things, you can ask me below, or join us on our live questions and answers sessions every Thursday at 9 p.m. Irish time. And you can ask me any questions you have there, or come to one of our workshops. We've got lots of them on the website. See you later. Bye.